my project is about this tradition of making narcasos and artifacts in public spaces with regards to traditions across the year. But I've chosen the project towards the tradition of Narkasur in Penjim, the way the evolution of Narkasur has become from traditional celebration to the kinds of elements which have been incorporated by the youth and the people around the groups. There are massive, large-scale sculptures across the Benjim, which talks about different creatures which have been influences of Narkasurs, and it also talks about a lot of ecological beings which have been also discovered in wildlife sanctuaries in Goa, and have incorporated and metamorphosized the beings. And parallelly, the opposite of it, it is a mini Narkasur archive, which is completely opposite side of the making Narkasur and undercult situation, undercult scene, which has been celebrated. And I mean, the small kids across Goa, and they do have competitions across Goa, but hardly few people get to see them because they are done in pockets. So there are 15 Narcasos from Goa which have come in a space where you will see them together, animated, creating their dynamics in a space. And the idea was to look at it as a lab where it's not only a craft, but also it's a side of it, technology, architecture, which is involved in it. And also the new dimension of how has been added to within the space where people get to interact with it, with two kinds of aesthetics from north and south. We always talk about when Narkasur, basically mostly masculine and what we say belly Narkasur. So I have created a small set of ring where people can have a fight between two aesthetics. So that is a fun part of it. So that's the thing.